In this video, I'll guide you through how to unsubscribe from Protonmail. If you've been using a paid Protonmail plan and you're ready to cancel it, I'll walk you through each click so you know exactly what to expect. We'll move step by step from opening the website to finding the correct settings and then actually unsubscribing from your paid plan. First, open your preferred web browser and go to protonmail.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser window, then press enter. Give the page a moment to load. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Protonmail account using your usual login details. Make sure you're signed into the account that has the paid subscription you want to cancel. Once you're logged in and you see your Protonmail inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon there which represents your settings. This is where Protonmail keeps most of the controls and options for managing your account. Move your cursor up and click the gear icon. After you click the gear icon, a settings panel or menu will appear. From here, you want to open the full settings area rather than just the quick options. Look for an option labeled All Settings. It may appear as a button or a link within that menu. Click All Settings to open the complete settings page. This page gives you access to everything from appearance and security to account and subscription details. When the settings page loads, you'll see a menu of different sections, usually listed along the side or across the top, depending on your device and layout. Here, you want to find the section that deals with your paid plan. Look for an option labeled Subscription. This is where Protonmail stores your plan information, including what kind of plan you're on, how you're being billed, and your renewal details. Click on Subscription to open that section. Inside the subscription area, take a moment to review the information on the screen. You should see the name of your current plan and any billing details that apply. If you're using a free plan, you might not see an unsubscribe option since there's no paid subscription attached to the account. The unsubscribe action is only available if you're currently on a paid plan. If you are on a paid plan, you'll see a button or link that says unsubscribe or something very similar. This is the control you need to cancel your paid subscription. Click the unsubscribe option. Protonmail may ask you to confirm that you want to proceed, and it might show you information about when your plan will end or when billing will stop. Carefully read any confirmation message that appears so you understand whether your subscription stops immediately or at the end of the current billing period. When you're ready, confirm the unsubscribe action. After that, your Protonmail account should transition away from the paid plan according to the terms shown on the screen. That's all you need to do. By going to protonmail.com, opening the gear icon, selecting all settings, then subscription, and finally choosing unsubscribe if you're on a paid plan, you can successfully cancel your Protonmail subscription.